Welcome, learners. My name is Professor Pallavi Mukherjee, and today I'm going to talk about business research methods, which is taught to you in MBA second semester. In this video, I'll briefly talk about objectives of this course, examination scheme, and of course, the course outcomes. The basic objective of this course is to equip the students with the concept and methods of business research. The students will be able to plan, design, and earn out business research using scientific methods and prepare research reports, papers, along with decisional research, which is done to provide information for a pending decision. So, this is basically the objective of this course. Let me take you to the scheme of examination. Students shall be evaluated on two components, 20 internal and 80 end semester examination. So the 20 marks basically, which is a part of the internal evaluation, will be divided into three evaluation parts. The first two evaluations will be usually the written tests. And the last evaluation would be assignments in the form of assignments, presentations, quiz, class participation, etc. Remember, only best two out of these three will be considered for your examination. Finally, let's talk about the 80 marks external evaluation scheme. It is also divided into two parts, section A and section B. Section A usually has 60 marks, which will usually comprise of the questions which are related to the course, the subject, and the 20 marks would be a practical or a case. So this is basically your examination scheme. Now finally, I'll take you to the course outcomes. So let's discuss. After completion of the course, the students should be able to provide deeper knowledge and experience in applying commonly used qualitative and quantitative research methods to the research process, to refine research questions to meet high-level research objective questions, to develop data collection instrument according to the underlying theoretical framework, and finally, to understand the steps of conducting business research and writing the research report. However, these were the three important things for you to know before studying this subject. Thank you so much for your time. Happy learning. Bye-bye.